So someone asked me that he wants to know how direct drive. She's a beginner, she's scared of industrial machine. So I advise that this direct drive has speed control. So this is one of the advantages of using a direct drive, aside the low power consumption and others. So I want to try this to know how you can reduce the speed and also increase. If you are scared of using very high speed, 2004 is much. If you can slow very fast, you can go as high as 3000, 3004, 3007. So for a beginner, you can reduce it. It can go as low as 300, 400, 1000. So let's start with 1000. Let's start with 500. Sorry, let's start with 500. So this is the speed for 500. For 1000. 1000. Now let's go to 1005. 2000. 2005. Then 3005. So you can see how fast I'm moving. The Doit industrial machine keep moving along with my speed. Other brand will have retread several times, but this would not give you that output. So buying Doit is the best. Some people said it's expensive. Yes, it is, but trust me, you'll get value for your machine. Thank you so much.